I did tell him the story about how we met and how I came down to Texas, did, my first class with you guys. And then, within 30 days, I put 250,000 on the books. Right now, my boy Josh here, he's in a similar situation as I was. My ex-wife told me there was 80 grand missing and threw my books in my lap and said, it's your company. And basically I was fucked, without you guys. So,
Yeah,
Josh,
I wasn't gonna bring that up because I didn't know how open and honest you had been with Josh. So I was just gonna kind of keep my mouth fucking shut. But
yeah,
now that he's mentioned that, I'll tell you,
Uh-huh.
what Marcus was the second worst client we've ever had in the sense of his situation coming into the workshop. There was only one guy that beat him, and the guy that beat him, he was $240,000 into a $250,000 line of credit when he came to us, and
Ouch.
we saved him. We saved Marcus, and another guy we saved later, a guy named Bud, who had a 357 credit score when he came to us, and he named his company 358 because he didn't want to associate a 357 Magnum with the name of his company. But he named his company based on his credit score, and now his credit score I think is well over 800, and obviously I'm sure Mark has told you where he got to a year after meeting us. So yeah, we can do some pretty amazing things.